Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Inktank 315 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, I center it. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also easy and simple. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP Inktank 315 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer, and here we find our printer name. Open the first link. An official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name HP Inktank 315. Here we find our operating system Windows 10 and bit. If operating system or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows from the operating system in a version. Select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the updates. After that, this page goes to refresh, or this box goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down and here we find many options. Scroll down and go to the installation software and full basic driver support print and scan functionality only. Expand it. Here we find HP Inktank 310 print and scan driver and accessory. 310 is a series printer. It's include our printer name HP Inktank 315. Okay, now go to the here download. Click on this download button. It's redirect you to the another official HP page, and download is started at the top. Here we find our download is started, and it's take 1 or 2 minutes depending on the speed of our internet. So be patient and wait for a few minutes or seconds. After that, go to the downloads. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in a folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple. Right click on this setup file. Here we find extract files. Click on extract files. Click on the OK. Now it's extracting our files and it's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to unzip process done. It's unzip in a few seconds. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Here we find folder, double click on it, and here we find our drivers. Close it, and we are going to install these drivers. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, wait for a few seconds. At the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner, wait for a few seconds, and new options are pop up on our screen. The new options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer we find many options. Select last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here, and if you find any port name .4_001 HP printer, HP printer device, anything about HP, then select that HP port. If you not find any HP port, the next option is USB. Select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port. Select any USB port and click on the next. Click on Helix, click on the browse, go to the desktop. In desktop, here we find our newly extracted folder, double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. All file contains same network or the same printer driver. Click on any printer driver or any file on this list. I select auto run and click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find HP Inktank 310 series, PCL3 or series. Select any file that you want. 310 series printer, it's include our printer name 315 printer also HP Inktank 315 also. Select anyone and click on next. Give any name that you like. I give HP Inktank 315. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. It's install our printer in a few seconds. After that, if you want to share this printer in a network, then last option I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option, and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP Inktank 315, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.